inside. I must be kind in thought the way.
Oh my god, he's awake at 7.
Oh my god, why am I even awake?
Is this the end of the world?
Why am I even awake now? Why am I even awake?
Where's your bed, man?
Oh my god, Jerry, stop vlogging at this time of hour, you little shit.
So today we're gonna go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go to it. They say what's gonna be.
So we did an unboxing like around 12 midnight. Then slept around 2, pick up at 6. So basically we have like 4 hours of sleep. Then yeah, freaking exhausted. It's actually a beach cleanup thingy, but we're just gonna go there and take some shots, take some pictures, take some videos of the place. Just all pretty slow. So yeah, see you guys.
But this plane outside the way, hitting jet speed and they just keep rocking my boat.
There we have our little Sean. He's being a good senpai teaching, what's the guy's name again? Where's the zoom, man?
There's no zoom. There's no zoom. It's a zoom. Okay.
Sorry guys, it's not a zoom lens, it's a fix. So as you can see, they are setting up their drone and they're gonna fly. We're gonna do a very epic
Transition.
we're gonna do a very epic tracking shot of the car just flying, you know.
Okay.
No, not the car flying. Not the car flying. The drone tracking the car moving. Yeah.
Wait, this is the drone. This is the zoom one. Look at your face, bro.
So blur. Oh well. Never mind. Never mind. I give up.
Hey.
This one is autofocus 比较好。
And I try so hard to sway, seeing double any way that I can breathe. Guess this swim will be nice. Woo,
Just finished up a little bit of shitting, and now, oof, I'm at the beach. I'm at the beach. What's up? I think I'm supposed to register just now, but I didn't. And no, I'm just gonna meet up with the group first. They're here. Collecting some rubbish, I guess. What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
Basically, from the page,
剛剛先 register 下。Oh my gosh！ 剛剛先 register 下，要 register 下。
没有我直接进来。
哦，然後你今日拿啦，今日拿這些啦。哦。
可以借我嗎？拿。
切，然後你弄什麼呢？
那些氣球。
哦，然後
倒進去。
哦。
哇，這個在弄比基尼嗎？對吧？
然後拿一點回家。
Hey, this guy is doing BGT ma. I saw I think the BGT
老闆，一個多少錢？老闆，一個多少錢？
So how was your poop?
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're now at
Did you
Pandan
take some
Beach,
B-roll of it? Huh?
and we are doing.
B-roll of my shit? What? B-roll of my dick? No.
The recording is it?
Yep.
All right, guys, welcome to Pandan Beach, London. As you can see, I got my sexy buff on. I have no idea why it's called a buff, but Mr. Chow here told me it's a buff, but it looks like a handkerchief to me lah.
Is that a bandana?
It's a bandana style.
Why
Yeah.
buff? Why are you holding a camera, man?
Because I look cool with a camera. It looks like my, you know. Yeah! Some camera action. See? Hey!
Oh!
Hey!
Hey!
他有平时他的那个，
谁
哇 ，promotion 这个是
为啥？
讲到有一个字
啊
，product placement 啊，a company placement。
Oh!
Hey!
What's that?
Power couple 哎 ，Really race girlfriend
啊
，race girlfriend。
哦。
开玩笑，我们来这边因为听你们来啊，我听要来 support 你啊。
是 behind the scene
BTS guy, social media guy.
然后这是
This is the shock scenery guy.
the other guys. Alright. Hello.
Jerry leh. Jerry. See, like Ray is like ready for his model shoot. You know all those.
来 framing A 中哦。
啊，哎，快点哪一个？来啊，有一点 model，你加一点。
已经 framing 了啊。
可以了啦。啊，你看 ready 了。啊，来啊，你看啊。啊，就是这样啊，就是这样啊。hold 那个 pose。好点头。
Okay, I think it's time for some B-rolls. B-rolls.
Hey, are you supposed to work shit?
Outside the way, hitting jet speed and they just keep rocking my boat. And I try so hard to sway, seeing double any way that I can breathe. Guess the swim will be nice. Woo, trying so hard to find what's wrong when everything is alright. Feeling so scared I lose the game when I'm 100.
Got myself some loaded. Wait. Nope. Some loaded shit.
Don't let up.
Hey.
I got mine bigger than your rubbish. My rubbish is bigger than your rubbish. It's a spot. Yeah.
Hey. I've never been to this part of Kuching, this part of Sabah before. I mean, the last time I've been here, like this area is in Sia Beach, and yeah, I actually made a video about it. It's in my Facebook profile. Yeah, so go and check it out if you want to. It's back then where I don't know what the shit is B-rolls and cinematic shots. Yeah, so we're gonna give the load and then see what else is going to happen. What you doing, man?
I'm doing the
Glove.
I'm doing what? Weapon. Hand shin. Wait. Shin. Oh.
Why do you bring him out?
camera 好 video 好
How do you feel, bro? After cleansing the beach, do you feel that your soul is cleansed?
Replenish. I think I just did a good deed and I'm like doing so much for the earth. And sometimes I realize human nature is so better than just throw rubbish. So please guys, don't throw rubbish in the beaches, okay? It's just so horrible. Think of the children, think of the animals, think of your future.
And the kids?
And the kids.
And the family?
Okay, that's enough, Jerry.
Why are you so steam, bro?
Because I'm thirsty. Thirsty
Yeah.
for some love.
No, he's dry. He needs to be. He's too dry.
Thirsty for some.
And that guy is just plain dry.
Put down the baby. Welcome.
Okay, you can proceed to your drinks and beverages, sir.
Alright. Jerry Fu. Fu. Yeah. Got it. Alright. You need more hand. Ho. What? A ho. What you doing?
myself up.
Yeah. With the sun, yeah. Yeah, just now he's dry, now it's wet, yeah.
I think you're gonna get a very bad bruise from that side flip.
Which one?
Big side flip.
Oh, my ass, huh? Yeah, I kind of feel it now also. Oh yeah, no one was recording this now, right? No.
What?
Huh? Eh, we were there lah.
No lah, they were something like that.
So just now we were swimming right over there. I did some flips, back, side, front.
Why are you practicing flip when you can just do the slide? Don't touch me.
Slide into there.
Wet. Want to make love now?
Slide into the DMs, right? Eh.